It's not spicy a lot, but it's pretty good. I like it. We have noodles! Noodles! Let's grab a bowl. Let's grab a bowl. Let's get a bowl! Let's put the noodles in the bowl. We have noodle noodles. Alright, let's open it. It's gonna be so good. I've been waiting all day to eat these. Let me get this open. Give me a second. There you go. Well, why does it look like that? Oh, a broken piece. Broken piece. It's so good. I'm gonna add hot sauce in it. I think it's more noodle. Yeah, and they have the spicy sauce. I had the other ones before. They were so spicy. I had to grab like 4 popsicles out of my freezer. Alright, now let's add some water into it. We got some water, we're gonna put it in. Alright, now let's throw this into the microwave. Whoa! Let's get the noodles cooking! I'm back. Alright, let's just do it. It's 1 minute left. Somebody called me, but I didn't answer because I'm so excited for these noodles. Here's my friends. Y'all, this is gonna be so spicy. This is gonna make it spicy. I could just put this in and use these for some other noodles like these. Let me show you. I can make the original ones and put this in, but I want to put this inside that noodles. And fork. So we just gotta wait. 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 Okay, it's done. Oh, it's very hot, so I gotta be careful. Hey, this top part didn't melt. Go down. Well, you just gotta cook it again because I don't want to eat raw noodles. I ate raw noodles before, but it's like different. It's just like I put the powder on it. It was good. So I'm gonna throw this piece away because this is not completely done. Well, the pieces that are dropping down are done. But whatever, I'll just throw it back in here so I let it get hot. This is the noodles. This is what the noodles look like. They're very different from the original noodles, the original chicken. Let's grab the powder. Shake it up first. Gotta mix this up a little bit more. People put cheese in their noodles, and I want to know why. It's just kind of weird. I almost put cheese in my noodles, but I never did. Let's get it. What is type of sauce? Whatever, let's do it. This tastes so good. Spicy. It got garlic in it, I think. Whatever, let's just mix it up. It's like white noodles. It's just like a milky white. It's white and milky white. I'm gonna throw the sauce in. This is the spicy sauce. Y'all know what spice tastes like. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot sauce in it. I don't want to put a lot because then if it gets too spicy, I might not even eat it. Pull the pocket. Okay, let me just This is not going well. Let me just. I taste the spice a little bit. And this is not a sponsored video. I'm just making it. Just telling you guys. It's not coming out. Oh my gosh, the noodles are turning red. I can't believe this is what people eat for mukbangs. Let's get to mixing it. Ooh, this looks very spicy. Very, very spicy. Alright. This is what the noodles look like. And now we're gonna taste it. Let's taste it. Noodles. It's not spicy a lot, but it's pretty good. I like it. Oh, look at the noodles. The noodles just turned very, very red. It wasn't like, I swear it wasn't like that before. One more taste, see if it's spicier. Okay, add more. They're good. I love them. That's it of the mukbang. Bye bye.